Why a cheaper house can cost you more. Let me ask you something. Why does the cheapest house always get the most attention? Because cheap feels smart. It feels like winning, like you outplayed the system. And that feeling is exactly how people get screwed. Here's the uncomfortable truth: cheap houses don't save money, they delay pain. You don't avoid the cost, you postpone it. And postponed costs always come back bigger. You pay less today, so you can pay more tomorrow. Let's talk about price, because price is the biggest illusion in real estate. People think price equals value. It doesn't. Price is just the opening sentence. The real story is hidden in the details. When you see a low price, your brain doesn't investigate, it celebrates. Logic shuts down, emotion takes the wheel. You don't ask, why is it so cheap? You ask, how fast can I buy it? That's not intelligence, that's impulse. Cheap houses sell hope, not quality. Hope that the problems are small. Hope that repairs will be easy. Hope that somehow you'll be the lucky one. Spoiler, you won't. Cheap doesn't mean affordable. It means unfinished business. It means problems the previous owner already lost money on. Problems they didn't want to fix. Problems they decided to gift to you. Old wiring, it still works until it doesn't. Lights flicker, breakers trip, outlets feel warm, and suddenly you're not saving money anymore. You're calculating fire risk, old plumbing, slow leaks, hidden mold. Nothing dramatic at first, just enough damage to spread quietly. Behind walls, under floors. By the time you notice, it's not a repair, it's a renovation. Old roof, it looks fine. From a distance, it only leaks when it rains, which is exactly when you don't want surprises. These aren't accidents, they're patterns. Cheap houses aren't unlucky, they're predictable. And here's how the real damage happens: cheap houses never fail once, they fail in sequence. You fix one thing, that repair exposes another. Every fix uncovers the next problem, like pulling on a loose thread. Each repair feels manageable. On its own, 500 here, 1,000 there. A small, unexpected bill. Until you stop adding them individually and start looking at the total. That's when it hurts. Contractors love cheap houses. They really do. Because cheap houses mean urgency. And urgency means no negotiation. You don't shop for the best price. You shop for the fastest fix. And fast is expensive. But money isn't even the worst part. Time is. Every weekend becomes a project. Every evening becomes stress. Your free time disappears. Your plans get postponed. Your energy gets drained. You don't rest. You recover. You don't enjoy the house. You manage it. The house doesn't work for you. You work for the house. And it always wants more: more money, more time, more attention. This is the cost nobody puts in the listing: the stress tax, the time tax, the mental energy tax, and they add up faster than money ever does. Here's the irony: people buy cheap houses to reduce stress, to feel safe, to feel in control, and end up aging faster. Expensive houses hurt once when you sign the papers. Cheap houses hurt slowly, every month, every repair, every surprise. One big pain versus endless small ones. So remember this: if a house is suspiciously cheap, it's not a gift, it's a warning. A warning that someone already paid the price and decided they were done. And now it's your turn. See you in the next video.